been on for a long time. There are a lot of trucks running through here this morning.
West Virginia 34, over route from current location. Proceed northeast on West Virginia 34 in 800
We got
feet.
223 miles left to go today. Not too awful bad. I guess I'll figure out where we're going to shut down. It'll be somewhere before then. I ain't trying to park around Louisville. I'll probably stop about an hour out. I'll have to see what we got. I don't remember. I think there's a Love's out there that's pretty new I've stayed at before. We'll try that. Well, we have made it here to the Love's in Waddy, Kentucky. I couldn't see the Flying J over there to see what they have to offer. This looks like a small Love's. That'll be alright though. We really don't need anything. I could wash some clothes. Where are we gonna park? Back 40 or up front? Well, let's come up front. There's some nice green grass. Be closer to the bark park if they have one up here. It shouldn't be that busy being a weekend. We'll come right up here. That's what we're gonna do. Y'all look at that. Lined up perfect, almost. Almost perfect. Oh, they got bobtail parking here. That's good. Catching on. I hope that ain't a Volvo I'm parking next to. Darn, I just screwed up the straight line back. Y'all ain't gonna believe that, but I did. I wasn't looking. Well, I was looking to see what I was parking next to. I don't want to listen to no air dryer popping all weekend. But yeah, we're in there. Be good enough. Good enough. Y'all. Y'all see that right there? I ain't gonna look at that all weekend. We're gonna go on and move right now. Woo! I'm horrible. I'm horrible. Yep. I'm honest though. Come right over here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come right over here. Oh yeah, this is flatter right here. Our feet won't be sticking up as high in the air. That back there was at an angle. I like it right here. These are on an angle. They don't really look like it, but they are. I'm in there though. I'm in there. Y'all look at that right there. I went to get out money laying on the ground right there, and you're damn right I'm gonna pick it up too. We're gonna use it to purchase a lottery ticket. Oh, that's just a piece of $1. Well, Well, I got the serial number. The bank will take it. I'll drop it off with my change when I go home. Might find the other half here. Who knows? Y'all see this concrete I got right here? We can come hang out. Y'all, Roxie sniffed her out some traps back there. They got donuts in each one of them. I guess they were trying to catch some coons. I smelled a skunk earlier when she was walking down that hill. I can't wait to come out in the morning and see if they got one. We'll find out. If we catch anything, I'll show you. Y'all, I brought Roxie back here a little bit ago, and she went over here by these traps and she started barking. So something's trying to come get that donut. Something's down there. Let's go check it, see if we got anything. If I see something caught in there, I'm probably gonna let it loose. I don't know what I'll do. Oh, look, y'all, look. Oh, I thought that was something black down there. I thought it was a cat or something. Ah, get back! Get back, girl. You'll get that. No, oh, it's closed. No, it's not. I'm seeing things. I'm wishing. I hope they don't catch nothing. Uh-oh. Y'all, look, her hair. Come on, get back. Come on, get back. Come on. Get back. She listens real well, don't she? About like me. Come on, let's go down here and go potty. Come on. Well, they should clean that up, I guess. Maybe they want somebody to steal it. No, no, ma'am. Oh, there's some honeysuckles. Some of y'all know what to do with them right there. Some of y'all don't. Y'all see them? Aw. I've ate many of those, or licked them, sucked them, whatever. Done that too. Hey, you better not be eating a turd, Roxie. Oh, girl. Hello, hello from the loves. I'm showered and shaved. We're going. I think Roxie's wanting to go check the traps. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, don't do it. Where are they? They're somewhere back here. Where are they? All over here. I hope the donuts are gone and the cage is not closed. Nope. They both still got the donuts in there. Sure do. Y'all look at them eyeballs right there. Y'all see them? Can y'all see them eyeballs? Look like eyeballs. Y'all see it to the right of the cage? Oh no. Yeah. Don't look like Krispy Kreme donuts. Look like Dunkin' Donuts. They'd catch something quicker with the Krispy Kreme. Come on, let's go potty. Starting to cool down out here. Nope, you keep moving. She's looking for that turd she tried to gobble earlier. Nope, come on. Hey, you better get. No turd gobbler getting in my bed tonight. Ruff, ruff. Uh-oh. Ruff, ruff. She's such a chicken. Go potty now. Come on. Let's go potty. Y'all, we just got up. Roxie's got to go potty. I ain't got no idea what time it is. It could be 1 o'clock in the morning. Come on. Come on, let's go see if that coon's down here. It's windy out. I sure hope there's nothing in here. Oh good, they didn't catch nothing. They're empty. All right. Good job. Good job. Nothing ate though either. Good morning from the Love's truck stop. I'm gonna take Roxie walking up here. I think she's gotta go poop. Finally. I got my clothes in, washing them. We're gonna move over there to the Flying J as soon as this place empties out a little bit more. Cause ooh, that's cow crap. Make sure we can find a spot, and if we can't, we can come back over here and get one. Oh God, there's cows in there. She's going. Maybe we'll stay right over here. It's windy out, kind of chilly, but nice. Better than sweating your butt. The sun is finally trying to peek out. It's cloudy. There's been somebody asleep on this concrete up here. I hope they're gone. Oh, their stuff is still there, but they're not there. It's always awkward having to walk by people in that situation. Never know what they got going on. That's him. Maybe quit his job and said screw it, waiting on somebody to come pick him up. Broke down, never know. Ooh. 6 minutes, not too bad. We'll wait.
Huh?
Oh, I'm talking to my camera. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. They caught something. It looks like a possum. Poor critter ain't hurting anybody. I'm fixing to let him go. Sure am. Hey, little cutie. It's okay. Oh, look at him. He's scared. Are you scared? Yeah. You're scared. I don't know. Y'all look at him. He's a violent little joker. Oh, is that... Come on. You gotta... Want to get my ass... Here. Come here, little cutie. Come on. Here. I forgot how to open one of these up. I'll figure it out. Give me a minute or two. That's stuck. Come here. You're up. Quit being violent now. I'm trying to help you. You're gonna have to roll over a little bit. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Let me... Hell, if I have to, I'll go get some cutters and I'll cut him out. Just hang on, little dude. Hang on. It's okay. Where does it open up at? Y'all hang on. Y'all, I got him. He's loose. He can go run now. He can come back and eat these grapes for free.